Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physics very fast. To begin, focus on mastering foundational concepts. Grasping core principles like Newton's laws and energy conservation is crucial. Simultaneously, ensure your mathematical skills, especially algebra and trigonometry, are strong. Prioritize understanding the why behind phenomena before tackling complex calculations. This solid base will accelerate your progress significantly. Next, engage in active learning. Regularly practice solving diverse problems. This is key to solidifying your understanding. Don't just read solutions, work through each example step by step, ensuring you comprehend every calculation. Discussing challenging topics with friends or study groups can also provide new insights and clarify difficult concepts, making your learning more efficient. To further speed up your learning, visualize concepts. Employ diagrams, simulations, and even simple sketches to make abstract ideas concrete. Leverage a variety of resources, including online tutorials and educational videos, to gain different perspectives. Consulting multiple textbooks can also offer alternative explanations and examples, helping you grasp complex subjects more thoroughly. Finally, consistency is paramount. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to physics, even if it's just 30 minutes. Regular review of previously learned material is essential for long-term retention. Actively identify your weak areas and focus your practice there. This disciplined approach will ensure steady progress and help you learn physics quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.